Well, this is going to be lesson 1, part B. I didn't realize I ran out of time, and so the last frame I was actually marking out from point to point. Okay, so it's all done, and then the next step is to take a ruler, a wooden yardstick, and we're going to measure right from the tip. It's hard to see. We've got 23 7/8, second diagonal. Twenty-three 7/8. Twenty-three 7/8. That's our first cross check. We'll take the plastic ruler again. We're going to check the sides. So we got 11 7/8. They should be close to being even. 11 7/8. 11 7/8. Same. The 3 are equal, you know, all 6 should be equal. Okay, so they're within a pencil mark. And that's about all we're allowed for tolerance. Okay, the next step on this, I'm going to cut this out. So for that, we're going to use the steel ruler. Keep your blade short. And we're going to cut off the ink mark. Light score first. Make sure you go past the corner. Usually I put the blade in, land her up, make sure you got even pressure. Keep your blade straight and firm. That slipped. Try again. No. Once it gets memory. No, this one went off. Max. Your blade turns, that could cause your ruler to slip. Third cut. Fourth cut. Fifth cut. Last cut here. Okay, I forgot to mark the top on this. So we'll use a thicker marker. And just put one line there. We'll just put top. Take that out, we don't need it. We'll take our first pattern that I made yesterday. should be pretty close. It's not bad. It's not copied. That's each one is actually made. So you can see the accuracy is pretty dead on. So in each hexagonal panel, we're going to have, we need 2 out of this 1/2 inch material. So altogether, we're going to need 2 times 7, 14, just for the sandwich layers. And there's also going to be a base layer, which is going to require another 7, so we actually need 21 of these panels. And what I've done here is I measured 24 inches, 24 inches, 24, and marked it out. So we actually got 24-inch panels, and I used this pen here to mark it. No, I use pencil, I guess, as long as it doesn't wash off. So the next step is to make the interior. So we're going to use the same system, and for that we're going to take our outside, which is 11 7/8, and divide that in half. So we're actually going to have a circle. It's going to be 11 7/8. I already have the mark on here at 6. See if you can see the holes. You can see the starting hole there. This is just under 6 inches. It's actually 5 inches and 15/16. And this is our 11 7/8 mark. So the center is composed of a centerpiece and 3 locking tabs, and they all use the same dimensional material. They're all identical. The outside is slightly modified. So we're going to come back in lesson 2. We're going to do the same thing and make up the inside.